people, welcome back to another Goals Garage video, and today we're working on the i30N. As you can see, we're going to be fitting some more Maxton Design stuff to her. We're going to be doing a diffuser and rear spats. So yeah, we're going to have to remove the rear bumper for this, so let's get right into it. So first things first, we've got to open up these little caps behind the lights and unscrew these little Phillips head screws out of the lights, so we can remove just this section of that because there's two screws in the top of the bumper there. So we'll get this out now and then I'll show you the screws underneath. So guys, as you can see, I've unscrewed those two screws now, and you can reveal that one just there, and then there's a little cap on the one underneath the lights just there, as you can see. So we've got to remove both of them, and to do that you just need a normal Phillips screwdriver and give them a little unscrew. So I'll unscrew those now on both sides and get on to the next step. So as you can see, we've unscrewed all the screws in the wheel arch now. Had to remove the mud flap, kind of, and yeah, so we've unscrewed the one that connects the bumper to the actual body of the car, and then just the bumper, the ones that screw the mud flap to the bumper. So yeah, now we're going underneath the car, and there's like these three screws here, and then there's another one further back. I think they're just them poppy things out that we had to pop off before, which is just a little twizzle like that, and then it shoots straight off, as you can see. And then we'll get the other three off, just get it in between that gap and twist them, and then there we are, and then you can pull that out. There's loads of rocks in here, as you can see. But yeah, so I'll get them other two out now, and then this side should be loose and we can pop it out, and then we'll move on to the other side. So as you can see, on the other side now, unscrewing the three screws securing the mud flap, and the one just at the top that secures the bumper to the body of the car, and then onto the underneath ones. So as you can see guys, I'm laying under the car. This is the inside of the bumper, and we've got some more of them little black clip things. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4 of them, just holding like the diffuser bit onto the bumper and the car. So I'm going to pop these out, and hopefully we should have a bit more movement from the bumper, and we should be able to get the top clips out, which you can also see just at the top there. There's 2 there, and then there's another 2 over that side. So yeah, we're going to pop these out now, and hopefully they'll just come straight out. So we've come to the conclusion that now we're at the point where it's all nice and loose all round and underneath, thanks to them bottom clips that we've unclipped. We're going to just leave the bumper on the car and screw in from underneath and tighten up the bolts. So there's just going to be a lot of underneath the car work, but might save us some time by not having to take the bumper off and just straight screwing it in. So yeah, let's get straight to it. We'll start with the diffuser first in the middle, and then drill the holes for that, and then we'll get on to the spats afterwards. So as you can see, we've got the diffuser on. We have just left the bumper on, obviously. We've only got the 2 end screws in. We just drilled them out nice and speedy, so I'll get a video of drilling out all the rest. But yeah, so there's a washer on both sides, inside and out. I'll get a video with the torch on so you can see properly, but we're going to put 2 screws in between each one, and then just one on the ends like we have already. So yeah, let's just get screwing and drilling, and then we'll do the spats, but it's looking pretty sick. So let's get to it. So as you can see, we're just drilling through the pre-drilled holes directly through. And then through the next one. So as you can see, the diffuser's now on completely. We've got all the bolts nice and tightened up under there, so it's all nice and secure, as you can see, not going anywhere. So now we're going to move on to the rear spats, which are these bad boys, as you can see with this little fin. They'll just fit on something like that. something like that. So we get this lined up, taped on, and drill our first couple of holes through it, and then whack it all together and show you the finished product. So then we've just drilled a little pilot holes in the first side spat. As you can see, we've got 4 holes, and then we're just going to line this up and then drill through our holes into the bumper, and then we can screw it all on. So then guys, we've got the first one on. We didn't really video it that much, but we'll get more clips on this one. So we've already drilled the holes through the thingy like I showed you before, and then we use that, we offer this up to the car obviously, and then we screw through the holes that we've drilled. So then we've laid out our holes, and then we can just put our bolts straight through, tighten them all up. But yeah, we're just putting this side back together, so it's just the same process in reverse. Screw it all back together, lower this side down, lift this side up, and then we can tighten all that one on. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, we've just loosely fitted this on now. All the fittings are in the holes that we drilled, so we're just going to tighten this up and then tighten all the mud flap and bumper back to the car, and then it's done. And we'll show you the finished result at the end, outside in the light, if it's still light when we're done. So then guys, as you can see, the rear Maxton kit is now complete. It's looking sick, looking way wider, a bit lower as well, a bit more boxy. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. We are going to be moving on to the side skirts and front splitter in the next episodes on this car. So if you're liking it so far, keep watching and you'll get to see the rest of it. But yeah, it's been Goals Garage, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.